Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to create your first discount code on Shopify. You can use it in order to attract even more customers to your Shopify store, or you can send it to your existing customers. So you can use it in a bunch of ways. Now, if you're new to the channel and you want to grow your online business, whether it is a Shopify store, an Etsy store, a YouTube channel, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And without any further ado, guys, let's jump onto our computer and I'm going to show you how to create your very first discount code on Shopify. So we just jumped onto our computer, guys. Here you have the main admin dashboard. As you can see here, we have discounts. So in order to create a discount code, we are going to click here. Here we have a few that we have already created. This is a sale, so it will be applied on all products at checkout. Make sure to watch that video as well, how to create a sale. Now, in order to create a discount, we are going to click here, create discount. And here you have a few options. The first one is to select the percentage of products. So you're going to offer a percentage, 5, 10, 20, 15, and so on. Then you have amount of order. This is, for example, if you have more expensive items, you can offer 10, 15, $20 discount and so on. Then you have buy X and get Y. This is very useful when you want to upsell some products, or maybe you want to make someone buy more products or a certain amount in order to get something free. And then you also have the free shipping discount. I'm going to click on amount of products. This is the one that we use the most. Here you have two options. When you click on automatic discount, that will actually turn into a sale. So we spoke about that in a different video. And if you want to create a discount code, let's say you want to use it for your email marketing on your social media, meaning for your followers, for your subscribers, or maybe you want to test different methods. For example, what's working better, the marketing on social media or the email marketing, or maybe you are working with an influencer and or maybe even more influencers, and you can create custom discount codes for each and one of them in order to test out which one performs better for you. So we are going to click on discount code. Now you are going to name your discount code. This will actually be entered by customers at checkout. So make sure to make it very easy to remember, or maybe even short. For example, if I want to target my YouTube subscribers, I can actually give them a 15% off, and I'm going to name it subscriber 15. Here you can select the value, either percentage or fixed amount. For example, for fixed amount, I can go with 10, 5, $15. I'm going to go with percentage and I'm going to make it 15% off. Now here you have the option to select more collections or specific products. So if you want this coupon code to apply to all products, I would recommend selecting specific collections. In order to go and browse through them and select all of them, you will have fewer collections compared to products, especially if you sell a lot of products. We have a store with over 3,000 products, so it is very easy in order to select the collections. Then you have the minimum purchase requirements. This is very useful if you want to offer that discount or that coupon code only for people who spend a minimum amount, for example, $100, or they order at least 2-3 products. So you can select here 3 products, or you can go with a minimum order of $50. I usually go with no minimum requirements. That way it can apply to more people. So for example, if someone wants to spend $45, they can still use the coupon code and you make a sale, compared to when you set it to 50 and someone says, oh, for $5, I'm not going to make that order. Now, before we move forward with our video, guys, I just wanted to let you know that we have a full Shopify course on our YouTube channel that will teach you how to build your Shopify store from scratch to a fully functional store. Now, if you want to check it out, I will leave a link in the description below. And without any further ado, let's continue our video. Then you have customer eligibility. This is usually goes to all customers, but if you want to target specific customers or segments, you can use those options. So that is very useful. Here you can see that you have a maximum discount uses. This is maybe when you want to limit only one use per customer, but I would recommend letting it like that, especially if you can afford it, and that will actually increase the sales that you want to make. Then you have here the option of combinations, meaning that you can use this custom coupon code in combination with other discounts. For example, if you send a discount code created for a single product and you want to send it to someone in order to make a custom order or a custom offer, and they also have this subscriber 15, they can even combine the two offers. So for example, if you have a product discount of 10%, that will actually go to 25% if they use both coupon codes at the same time. So you have to take all of that into consideration. I would recommend not providing these, or maybe only with shipping discounts. If you also do free shipping for a certain period, such as Christmas, Easter, and so on. And then you have an active date, meaning do you want this coupon code to be active, let's say 10 years from now, 3 years from now? If not, you can set an end date right here. If not, you can only leave this start date and create the discounts. So you are going to click on save discount, and at this point, as you can see, it also gives you all the details here on the right. Active from today, can't combine with other discounts, also for online store, and 15% off those 5 collections. Also, you have to take into consideration if you add more products further down the line and you want them to be applicable to this discount, you can include them in those 5 collections. Or if you want to have a different collection with other products for which you do not want this coupon code to be applied, then you can make a different collection and not include this discount code. So guys, that is how you can create your discount codes. As you can see, we have already created one for the subscribers, one for Christmas, and we also have a sale. Also guys, if you want to set a Christmas discount coupon code that has an end date, here at the bottom you can see that we have set an end date and it will end on the 25th of December. And when you look right here on the right on the summary, you can see active from November 3rd up to December 25. So that is how you can actually set an end date and the start date for your coupon code. So guys, that was the tutorial. I hope you learned something new. If so, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And also, if you want to learn even more, if you want to increase your conversion rate, if you want to increase your sales, your brand awareness, to bring more customers, to increase your social media presence, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel because we have a ton of videos about how you can actually grow online. I'm going to see you guys on the next video.